Hey guys, it's Rosa, and I'm going to be doing a Yu-Gi-Oh opening this video. I've got a Metal Raiders pack and a Spell Ruler pack. I've been getting back into the Yu-Gi-Oh TCG lately because I've been playing Legacy of the Duelist Link Evolution on the Switch, and it's really helped me regain interest in the game. And also, I just love the old school packs. I grew up on Yu-Gi-Oh, so it feels very nostalgic being able to open these. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Alright, we're going to start off with Metal Raiders. Dream Clown, Guardian of the Labyrinth, Castle of Dark Illusions. If there's one thing that kind of weirds me out, it's when monsters have, like, unusual attack and defense point numbers like 920, 1930. It's got a good effect, but those numbers just kind of, you know, weird me. But those numbers, the 920 and the 1930, just kind of weird me out a little. Gigatech Wolf. My rare is White Magical Hat. Protector of the Throne. King of Yami Makai with the 1530 defense, Thunder Dragon, and Bickery Box. Not bashing monsters with unusual attack and defense point amounts. It's just something I find odd. And now on to Spell Ruler. Metal Fish, Umiuruka, Kodadama, Horn of Light. Rare is one of my favorites. Giant Rat. Giant Turtle who feeds on flames, even though he's a water type. Peacock. Hamburger Recipe. And Molten Destruction. So, pretty decent pulls. Nothing too impressive, but still enjoying the packs. Amazing. Thank you for watching. This is Rosa, signing off.